Hello everyone, this is Daniel Light, and I'm using this medium to say a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance to each and every one of us. And to those of my subscribers who have taken their precious time to click on the subscription button, I say a very big thank you to each and every one of us. And if perhaps you've seen this video or you are just seeing my video for the very first time, kindly click on the subscription button and turn on notifications so that you can always get notified anytime I drop videos relating to Forex and how you can get your deposit bonus. So as you can see showing up, that's funded next. That's the name of the broker that will be funding our account. So if you're just new to this broker, you have to fill in your details here, fill in and click on this agreement box and then click on register. But for those of us who have an account with them, maybe we've heard about them, click on login now and it brings you to this next place where you just put in your
Wait, please subscribe. It will cost you $0.
login details, and from the login details you click on login and it brings you here. So the main thing is for you to just have an account with them. So once you've done that, you click on these three lines showing up here. There's a three lines showing up there, so you click on it and then it brings the option where you click on competition. So once you click on competition, it takes you to another aspect where you see the option trade master cup or trade for free. So we are selecting the free option. So once you click on free, it brings the options. You see the upcoming competitions, the upcoming ones. This one's for February 28th, for next month. This one for January. See the ones in progress. So we are going to go for the one upcoming, the one for January. You'll be starting one January 1st. So once you click on enroll, you see, you can just click on details to see the details for the rules, or you click on enroll to enroll for the competition. Once you've done just that, so you wait for the request to be processed, and immediately it's being processed, you get successful. So immediately a message will be sent to your Gmail, which you use in registering, a message of your login details on how you log into your MT5. So right here, if you click on these details or you click on your profile to show details of your MT5, details of your login details, so you to show the details, and you'll be able to see rules for this competition. There are rules which you need to abide in order not to get kicked out. So you can see showing on the screen, these are my details to log into it. So from here I'll be heading straight to the MT5, but first of all we need to first go check our Gmail to confirm the message. But just before that, if you scroll down a little bit, you see rules which you need to abide in order not to get kicked out from the competition. So as you can see, the daily loss limit as $5,000. So you need to make sure you abide to these rules in order not to get kicked out. So next we head straight to the Gmail to confirm the message they sent to us. So right here in my Gmail, this is the mail they sent to me, and also it contains login details of my MT5 and also the position you need to get to in order to get rewarded. So I'll be blowing this part due to my login details. And from here, you head straight to our MT5 to put in the login details and log in. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notification, like and share to others so that they can benefit with you.